Things that you have to start. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, you back into it.
You wanted to say that. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. Then 2, cha, cha, cha. The same way. The first one, you do 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. Then 2, cha, cha, cha. It's the same thing. You know what you say, two, cha, 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 1, 2. I can't even follow it. I feel bad because I'm gonna go home and you think, but you're doing it. This first one, you're doing it exactly. You have to try to repeat the same thing. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 2, cha, cha, cha. There you go. Right? You go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, cha. But you feel, but when I dance, I feel like I'm catching it. You know why? Because we did it before like that. If I go cold and I just do the move with you, it will not work like that. You think it's not working because you're thinking too much. You don't have to worry. Don't have to worry. It's fine. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, pa, pa, pa. Step, pa, pa, pa. It's because you're doing two wider steps. Let's just try it once. Because you have to do the same thing. Pa, 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 pa. That's the wrong stuff. Because you're trying to do something different. You just did it. You just did it. You do 1, ta, 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 ta. The same ta, ta, ta. That's it. You have to do the same ta, ta, ta twice. Because you're trying to do something different. You go again. 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Step, ta, ta, ta. Side together. So let's try in front of the mirror. The ta, ta, ta is the same. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Step, ta, ta, ta. Side together. Just open, close. Yes. We do it again.
I'm gonna get frozen. I'm like sweating bullets.
5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Step, ta, ta, ta. Side together. Yes. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Step, ta, ta, ta. Side together. Don't close. That's it.
You say song is the left leg?
It's the left, yes. After the ta, 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 then you go close. Yeah, again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Step, ta, 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 ta. Right away. Right? So it's 1, 2, ta, 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 ta. Again. Ta, 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 ta. then cross, pa, 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 and open, close. Yes. There you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, pa, 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 cross. This one too, cross. So you do 1, cross, pa, 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 then you cross again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, pa, 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 then cross. A little, instead of doing that, go a little bit more like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, pa, 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 cross, pa, 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 open, close. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, pa, 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 cross, pa, 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 open, close. Once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, pa, 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 then cross, pa, 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 open. But you don't change the position of the leg like that. Just try it once. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, nice, pa, 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 then cross again, pa, 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 very nice, close. Close. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, nice, pa, 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 then cross, pa, 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 then open, close. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, pa, 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 don't forget to cross, pa, 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 open, close. So when you cross, it feels much better for the partner. So don't go like this, go like this. For the 1, cross like this, it feels much better. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, nice, pa, 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 then cross, pa, 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 then open, close. Yes? Do you want, we didn't look at the exit of the men yet. Do you want us to look at it too before you practice the...
How's she doing?
For the cha-cha is getting
Then it's gonna click.
It's gonna click?
Yeah.
So you want to do the exit of the men?
Yeah, do it a few times and I'll go to whatever music goes.
Okay, so we do one last time what we're doing now, and then we look at another step. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, cross, pa, 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 then cross, pa, 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 then open, close. Yes.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah. So the cross, try to remember it because it's better like this. The other step, the exit of the man. So you start by going forward. You do 1, 2, 3, then you cross back. Oh, and then you want to do the cha-cha from there?
Yeah, you already on the step of the church.
Okay, nice. So what you're gonna do? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, you can step forward. You go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3. Cross, back, then we go front, pa, 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 then cross, pa, 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 then open, close. Nice. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1. I know. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3. Then you cross back.
We changed everything else.
No, it's just that
It's
now
the
we're
same
adding-
step. It's the same step. She's just adding the cha-cha that you just learned right now.
We're adding something before what you just did. Just a little something. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1. No. Now. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3. Go back. But you have to cross a little this leg when you're going back. The partner is here. You do 1, 2, 3. Cross back. Then you make the 1, cross, pa, pa, pa. Then cross, pa, pa, pa.
Okay, let me
Yeah,
try
try
with
that.
music. Yeah.
It will click. You know, you already know the process.
Yeah. She's hearing too much bird sounds.
Oh, wow.